Hey guys, good morning or afternoon or evening, whatever time you're watching this. Hello! Today I want to show you a look using some new products. I don't even know what kind of look I want to do, but I think I want to do something monochromatic. But anyways, yeah, I just want to talk to you guys, show you some new products that I have and I'm trying out, and yeah, let's just jump right in. So I'm going to first go in with my Catrice Prime and Fine Primer. Just gonna... I've only used the majority of these products like once or twice, so I'm still trying to get to know them and see what works for me and what doesn't. I got a lot of makeup recently from Colourpop and Ulta, and got a little bit from e.l.f. So I'm just trying to go through like all of the things to see what I like and what I don't like and separate the good from the bad, and then plan on making a video on that later on. But there's no point in keeping makeup that I'm never going to use. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation, and I have used this once and it is matte, and I did really like it. It stayed really well, I have to say. Although I ordered it and they sent me the wrong color and it was not my color. It was way too late. But I got this one, which is definitely more my color. This is like spot on, but honestly, like even if I get a color that might be like a little too neutral or a little too red or a little too yellow. Red I cannot correct, that's just hard. But any other things, I have different types of powders which I can use to help correct it. Like if it's too neutral, I can use a yellow powder or a terracotta powder. That will help brighten it up. If it's too yellow, I can use like neutral powder and just fix whatever shade that I'm wearing. I almost never wear foundation without powder in my face. If I do, it's a very sheer coverage foundation or like a BB cream or something. Because one, I want my makeup to stay all day, and two, I almost always have to adjust the color to make it my ideal. You'll see in a video coming up, or maybe before, I'm not sure. I'm doing a video on liquid makeup, and I couldn't use the powder in that one, and I watched it back. I was like, oh my god, I look so yellow. I will be right back. I gotta wet my sponge. I'm back. Oh, and I don't know if I said what product I'm using, but I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm gonna go in with one of the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes in the shade Not a Basic Peach, and I'm just gonna I'm actually gonna go in with Rose in the Air first because I want something that I can just sweep across my entire lid, and none of the shades in there were really working as like a neutral base shade for me. So I'll just take that shade. I'm using this one right here. They don't have names. To sweep across my lid just so that my eyeshadows will blend in a lot nicer. And then I'm gonna go in with the Not So Basic Peach palette. I'm gonna take that orange color right there. I'm just gonna deposit most of that product on the outside of my lid, and then I'll sweep it through the crease with whatever's left on that brush. I think one of my favorite colors of eyeshadow to use are oranges. They just bring a lot of warmth, and like they look like crazy intense, but if you tap off your brush going with the light hand, it's just gonna bring warmth to your eyes. I'm gonna go in with a deeper orange from that palette we used earlier, Rose in the Air, and take this one right here, mix it with a little bit of that transition shade, and I'm just gonna do the exact same thing that we did with that last color. I'm just gonna switch between those two palettes, going back and forth. So back with that Not a Basic Peach palette, I'm just gonna take this really cool like shimmery shade. It's like a red, but it has like gold reflexes. It'll I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you can't, it's a really cool color. I'm just gonna do that all across the lid. Really liking these Wet n Wild eyeshadows. I do find some of them have a lot of fallout. I want that color to be a lot more intense, so I'm actually gonna pick up some more product on my brush and I'm gonna spray it with e.l.f. Mist and Sets. Oh my god. I'm gonna spray it with my e.l.f. Mist and Fix setting spray. Mist and Set? Setting spray? That's gonna help intensify the color, hopefully. Actually, I haven't used these eyeshadows wet, so we'll find. Oh yes, yes, it works. It works. So wish it was a little more intense, but that'll do. Going in with that gold shade beside it, I'm just gonna take that all through my inner corner. The lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the orange shade that we used earlier from the Rose in the Air palette, and I'm just gonna sweep that all under my under eye all the way to meet the inner corner. And then on a definer brush, I'm just gonna go in with a nice deep brown color. I'm gonna use this one right here in the Not a Basic Peach palette. As close as I can to my lower lash line till we meet that gold. This brown is very, very dark, and I was not expecting it to be so pigmented as it was. But that's a good thing. Sometimes. A very pigmented eyeshadow is great when you want it to be intense, but if you didn't know it was coming and you were doing a natural look, well, hope you enjoy a full glam look, because that's what you got now. Just going in with that same pencil brush that we used before. I'm just gonna really, really buff that out. Let's see how so far. And then I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Essence Extra Long Lasting Eyeliner Pen. And I'm just going to do a thick line, but I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I don't really, not in the mood for it today. Some days I love a wing, other days not so much. I made the mistake of like touching my eye, but honestly the easiest way to fix it is to leave it alone, let it dry, and then we'll come back, we can wipe it off, and then we'll just touch it up with the eyeshadow again afterwards. I'm going to quickly do my brows and I'll be right back again. Brows are done and we're back, and then let's finish up our face. Go in with the Morphe Brontor in the shade Showmance, and oh my gosh, I was talking so fast there. Did you guys catch any of that? I'm just gonna use this to contour my face. For that, and I happened to get two shades because I couldn't tell which one I was going to be on the site. So I also got the shade Fantabulous, which looks like this, which is honestly, this is so red that I would never use this as a bronzer or a contour. But I'd use it as a brush. And I'm going to just use a stippling brush today. Actually, for this look, I think we're getting a little more intense of a blush. So I'm going to go in with a blush, angled blush brush. Just gonna mix both the shades together, tap them off. And I like to put on my apples, but I also like to drag it back into that bronzer. I never like to keep my blush just on my apples. I always like to drag it back towards my temples. Well, towards my ear. Anyways, we want to highlight, and I'm gonna be using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in the shade Rose Gold. I have tried it a few times, so I'm kind of like on the fence about it. Like, I want to like it because like you get so many different colors in it and you can swirl them all together, make them look beautiful, but I've been having a lot of trouble applying these to the face. But I'm going to try again. Try one more time. And if you don't want to work for me, I'm giving you away. I'm gonna use the bottom three shades because these two are actually a little too dark for me. Oh, see what I mean? Right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just feel like it doesn't blend out beautifully. I'm just gonna go back in with that blush brush. I feel like it. wants to be patchy. What do you guys? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Should I give it away? Should I keep it? So I got this Wet n Wild super skinny mascara. Super skinny. So I'm gonna try it on my lower lashes. I never put mascara on my lower lashes because I think it's just way too hard for me. And I'm incapable of doing it. I'm gonna wipe up all the excess off of the tip. And we'll see how this goes. It might go bad. I think it did the job. I just think I got super thin lower lashes and you can never see them. And for my upper lashes, I'm just gonna go in with the Revlon Dramatic Define mascara, and this is a comb mascara. Like, it doesn't have it's not brushes, it's like a literal comb, so it's more lengthening than it is thickening. And then to finish off with lips, I'm just gonna go in with a lip balm, and I just picked this one up today, and it's by Quell, and it's a lip balm and an exfoliant on the other side. It's in the flavor mango. Smells really. And then for lips, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. lipstick in the shade Blushing Brown. And I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop gloss in Contessa. I believe that's how they pronounce it. Nice orangey blush. I've been really into orange lips lately. I like it. Okay. And then we're gonna set our face using the Milani using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is a very strong spray, so hold it nice and far back. It smells like perfume. I don't know if you guys care about the smell, but it smells like perfume. And that is our finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. You really liked this look. It's a very orangey inspired look. I used a peach palette, used orange lip gloss, but I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I upload every Monday and every Thursday. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!